Oh shit! I forgot you were in there. Welcome to Hannah's World. Hollywood, California. Welcome to Hannah's World. Sherry, say hi, Hannah. Say hi, Hannah. Say hi. Welcome to Hannah's World.
Emily?
Hannah. Who's Emily? There's no...
I don't know. The agent told me there was a name Emily here. It's calling you. I don't know who's Emily.
I have no idea.
Yeah.
Welcome to Hannah's World.
Emily Kingstone. That's what they asked me.
Welcome to Hannah's World.
I'm going to give you a list of things you need to do in my house. I've been waiting for things in her house and her house.
Stella always has to be number one.
Yeah, the housing came over. Looking for you.
That was not for me. I mean,
That was the city. That wasn't the
I
housing.
did not call them. Even though in the back of your brain you think
What's in back of my brain?
yeah, the back of your brain.
I talked to him.
I don't care if you talked to him. I didn't call him.
Did I say you call him?
You said they came here to inspect. Nobody told me nothing.
Well, you did call him.
I did not call.
Why don't you believe? Why do you believe everything Stella tells you?
After you came over, you called him. He said, I
didn't call anyone.
I know.
Stella Salazar called
I
him.
haven't called anyone.
Look at all the time she called him with Mrs. Blum.
Excuse me, let me talk.
Do I look good in there?
Hmm?
Good.
I don't know. I have to have Hannah's approval for this.
I was sitting in this last and then my house and all I asked.
Goodbye from Hannah's World. Say bye, Hannah. Say bye, Hannah. Say bye,
You
Hannah.
have any right to take picture of me. I'm not a celebrity.